So yes, as we learned in our earlier session that what is constitution all about, now we will have a brief study of the constitution. Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. Yes, it's a supreme law of India. This document lays down the framework of fundamental rights, structure, procedures, and powers and duties of government, according to which our government performs its function uh, according to the needs of the country. It was started in 26th of November 1949, that is 70 years ago back, and came into effect on 26th of January 1950. So yes, it's a it's a date which you guys have to learn, that when it was just started or rectified and when it had come into effect is very important. Now we will come up to organs. There are three particular detailed explained organs in our constitution according to which our country runs. First is executive. If we talk about executive, with word executive it is very clear that who execute actual rules and regulations for the country. Those are known as executives. So the executive is a responsible is executives are responsible for all the formulation and execution of government policies. This branch is led by president who is the head of the state, and it acts in accordance with the advice of prime minister. So yes, executives are those who actually makes laws and regulations for us, and secondly, the executive's head is president, but president takes advice of prime minister, and according to which our country runs. Next come up to legislature. Who all are legislature? The legislature is the policy making body of the country. It makes policies, amends. Now I have to tell you what is amends. Amends means changes, but we can't stay with the particular constitution which is done in 1950 already, because our needs changes by the time. So yes, our constitution is very rigid, very flexible, and it we can change it anytime. So yes, there can be amends, and we can replace any all laws by the new ones. So this legislature organ help us to amends and to change. If there will be any need of any change in constitution, then we can change, and this department do this work. This branch is also divided into two houses, that are Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha is the house of people, and the Rajya Sabha is the house of council of states. Lok Sabha is known as lower house, and the Rajya Sabha is known as upper house. Now we will come up to judiciary. What is judiciary? Judiciary branch deals with the administration of justice. It acts as a guardian of the constitution. Yes, if there are rules and regulations, we are having so many people who doesn't follow our rules and regulations properly. So yes, there is one very important branch which deals with the such administrative justice, that is our judiciary. And though this judiciary is divided into three particular level of courts, that is Supreme Court, second is High Court, and third is District Courts. Now if we come up to Supreme Court, the Supreme Court is the highest of all the courts. Judiciary is headed by this Court of India, which consists of 24 high courts, high courts and many district level courts, which include civil court, criminal court, and family courts. The court has the power to resolve disputes between the executive and the legislative. See bacha, if the executive make laws, legislative have the right to even pass it or to reject it. So sometimes it creates disputes, as well as other public matters are converted into conflicts also. So yes, Supreme Court, High Court, and District Courts have the power to stop this conflicts which are related to amendments or changes in the particular constitution of our country. So yes, I would like to tell you this thing also. The last amended constitution was done on 25th of January, that is 2020, and this was our 104th amendment in our constitution. So it is very important to learn that it was 104th amendment of our constitution. So yes, our constitution is the longest written constitution because we have varied people belonging to different ethnic groups, language groups, religion and cultures which makes up our nation.